Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to reset an AnyDesk password step by step. If you have forgotten your remote access password, or if you want to create a new one for better security, this tutorial is for you. On your AnyDesk dashboard, to reset your password, go to your profile name in the upper right corner of the dashboard. You will see it right there. Once you find it, just click on it and then select My Profile to open your profile page. Under your profile, you will see the password option along with the Edit button. Go ahead and click the Edit button. This will allow you to enter a new password. All you need to do is type your current password, then type your new password, confirm it, and save. This will update your password and keep your account secure. The goal of this tutorial is to help you reset or change your AnyDesk unattended access password. We walk you through the security settings so you can update your password and keep your remote connection safe. And that's it. Now we know how to reset an AnyDesk password.